Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Jura Impressa Xs90. It's a very large machine. Came into the shop. We've had this machine in our shop before for a broken Thermoblock outlet valve. There's two, despite its name, there's two on the inlet and outlet, or there's one on the inlet and one on the outlet of the Thermoblock. Previously, we had replaced the one before the Thermoblock, and it came back into the shop because the second one failed. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It's just this cap goes up on here, and then there's a valve. There's this little gasket right here that seals at the bottom, sealing this side from this side, and it's held down by a spring here, and that whole thing is attached to this shaft right here. But as you can see, it's in pieces because these two things are supposed to be connected. You can just kind of see where the plastic used to be. It looks like thermal and chemical degradation, causes this piece to fail a lot. These Thermoblock outlet valves fail very frequently, causing leaks. That could be due to multiple reasons: thermal degradation, like I said, vibration, water quality. So what I did is I just replaced it with a new one. There's not really any way around it, but now we have a working machine. Shot glass right here. We're going to do just a shot of espresso. Before, it was having flow issues out of here. Whoops. And there was a lot of water spraying in the back of the machine, causing a leak. It wasn't able to build up enough pressure. So back here, there's no leak. So you have it. You have a working machine. All right, thank you for watching.